Alright, this is take 5 with lyric updates. This is a song about quitting and extenuating circumstances and how not to get complacent, I guess. I got this pick in Lake Arrowhead.
How hangs the belt is a question of seen and not felt. Where does it go? Is it reckless to ask if you're spent?
15 to 40 and then 45.
Whatever is there to do today but wallow in psyches of misspent yesterdays? There goes Miss Patience, stuck in Mom's basement of what she's allowed to say.
No!
When will it end? Is it pushing to pain as the bed is to frame? Then another hand and try to try. Coffees and showers and pillows and cakes, rivers, mountains, lakes. Say what you can, you'll bleed and lose weight. Live, rest, play, extenuate. Who knows how much you should go for
But this ground is not even the ground. Out there is the ground. But that ground may not be ground either.
Soft pillows and cakes, scissors and mountains of tape. Say what